Today with me, I have this Lekufee waterproof hard carrying case made for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. And this is one of those cases that instantly makes you feel better about traveling with expensive equipment. The first thing I noticed is how solid it feels. This is not a soft bag. It is a hard protective case that feels extremely durable and well built. Inside, everything has its own custom cut space. The form is designed specifically for the Mavic 4 Pro and its accessories. So your drone, your remote controller, batteries, charging hub, and cables, they all fit neatly in place. I really like that because it keeps everything organized and also prevents things from bumping into each other while traveling. What really stands out to me is the level of protection. The case is waterproof and dustproof, which is great if you travel, film outdoors, or move your drone between locations often. Whether you're going to the beach, hiking, or just transporting it in the car, this gives you peace of mind that your gear is protected. Even though it's a hard case, it's still very portable. The handle is comfortable to carry, and the case feels balanced, not awkward or bulky. The latches close tightly, and it even has a pressure valve, which is something you usually see on high-end protective cases. Overall, if you own a DJI Mavic 4 Pro and want serious protection for travel and storage, this is a very solid case that feels like a smart investment for expensive equipment.